Welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're going to learn how to make a tie interceptor. Get your cardboard, tacky, glue, scissors ready. Let's do it! Alright, you just saw the slideshow. I hope you're inspired. Get out there, go make your own tie interceptor. If you liked the video, please hit subscribe. Hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye!